Discover the 2021 Tiffin Allegro RED 37BA, a 38-foot 6-inch Class A diesel pusher that's loaded and road-ready. Powered by a 360-horsepower Cummins engine, this bath and a half model features stunning full-body paint and numerous upgrades. The exterior commands attention with its Rustic Canyon G3 full-body paint, offering striking looks and durable protection. Experience easy, reliable shade with the Girard awning upgrade, featuring dual premium electric awnings with wind sensors. Access undercoach storage effortlessly with the manual exterior slide tray. Plus, 3 rooftop solar panels harness renewable energy for extended off-grid camping. Step inside to an Urban Putty interior with white maple ultra leather, creating a sophisticated and easy-to-maintain look. Enjoy residential quality sleep on the memory foam king bed, the ultra leather air coil sofa on the driver's side, and a jackknife sofa on the passenger side provide additional sleeping capacity and daytime comfort. Durable Articulo white floor tile adds a clean, modern feel throughout. The Dinette computer workstation is perfect for dining or as a mobile office. A discrete lift TV system tucks away to maximize living space. Built on a Freightliner diesel chassis with a 234-inch wheelbase, the FCCC 360 horsepower chassis ensures a balanced ride and superior handling. The all-electric coach package eliminates the need for propane, offering a safer and more efficient experience. Two 15,000 BTU AC units with heat pumps deliver quiet, powerful climate control. Navigate stress-free with the factory-installed in-dash navigation system. Watch satellite TV even while in transit with the in-motion satellite system, and enhance your internet reliability with the Wi-Fi Ranger. Cleaning is a breeze with the central vacuum system. A significant upgrade is the Vroom Slide System for the bedroom slide, providing quiet, smooth operation, enhanced reliability, and reduced risk of binding. Enjoy true residential features like a full-size refrigerator, a cooktop and convection microwave for full meal prep, and stacked washer and dryer units for ultimate convenience. This Allegro RED 37BA is 38 feet 6 inches long, powered by a Cummins ESB 6.7-liter 360 horsepower engine with an approximate GVWR of 33,000 pounds. Tank capacities are approximately 90 gallons fresh, 70 gray, and 50 black. You can check out the current pricing, specifications, and photos of this motorhome in the link in the description.